Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to add more projects on Behance. First, log into your Behance account. You will see a prominent Share Your Work button, usually located at the top right of your dashboard. Click this to initiate a new project. You'll then select the type of project you wish to upload, like a standard project or a work in progress. Once you've started a new project, it's time to upload your creative assets. You can add various media, including high-resolution images, videos, and even audio files. Arrange these elements thoughtfully to create a compelling visual narrative. Remember to include clear, concise text descriptions that offer valuable context for your design choices and process. Now, let's focus on the project details. Give your project a clear and engaging title and add up to 10 relevant tags to improve discoverability. Next, select a captivating cover image. This is the first impression viewers will have. Finally, choose appropriate creative fields and categories to ensure your work reaches the right audience. Before publishing, take a moment to thoroughly review all your project details, ensuring everything is accurate and polished. Once you are satisfied, simply click the Publish button to make your project live on Behance. Don't forget to share your newly published work across your social media channels to maximize its reach and attract more viewers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.